the presentation. Honorable members, those who seek clarification on what the defense has presented is the opportunity to do so. And before I give the chance to the members, Mr. Benson, those the land invasions that you are referring to, what year? You said from 2005. I just want to clarify on that. You said from 2000
to date.
To date. They are called what? What are they called?
Those are illegal settlers.
Illegal settlers from post 2005. What do you call them? 2005?
2000 to 2004.
Yes.
During that time, that was a movement of people onto the formerly white-owned commercial farms. You know, it was our start of, actually acquiring that land, the Jambanja era.
So you say from 2000 to 2005 they are not illegal settlers. Can you confirm that?
Yes, Honorable Chair.
2005 to date they are illegal settlers.
Thank you, Chair.
Honorable Serene,
part of state. Pane mwana wa minister akugara ipapo because news murikurunga zvipi munapinda still pamutemo zviri illegal zvamuri kuziva imini asi vagoni kuninveda munhu ari kupa chiforex kuitira muti kudina zvirozvo.
aiwa ngatiitei vaanzei tobva taura anzai vaitivaitaura yanzi pane mwana waminista handisi toona minista yevachi.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. What happens is that offer letters are given to individuals, and then in due course it is realized that in fact such an draw that offer letter, they must respond within 7 days if they have any resentment to that. After 7 days, the actual withdrawal is effected. In the case that the honourable member is asking about, this was not a case of an illegal settlement, not at all, because the individual in question had an offer letter.
You say this case of keeping your farmer, the guy is not an invader. He had an offer letter, right? When did he give the offer letter?
Yes. Honorable Chair, I have my colleagues here who deal with the land issues on a day-to-day basis. With your permission, I don't know whether you would allow me to ask the Director of Lands.
You may defer.
Thank you.
The Director of Lands, the question is, the honorable member has asked this question about the finger farmer. So the question is, when did the what's his name? Do you know the name of the guy who had the offer letter?
Yes,
What's his name?
yes, I think it's Budzana.
Budzana.
Yes, I believe that's the name.
When did Mr. Budzana get the offer letter? And when did he apply for it? How long did it take for him to get it processed?
What I know, Honorable Chair, that offer letter that they issued sometime at the beginning of this year. I don't have the specific date, but it must be the beginning of this year. When
was it applied for?
Well, the issue of application is done normally at provincial level, where the person submits his application form, and the provincial land committee prepares what we call a schedule. And this is the schedule that is then submitted before the minister to say, so and so has been recommended to take up subdivision 5 or Fairfield. That schedule comes signed by the Minister of State, signed by the provincial officer, Minister of Lands, then submitted to the minister sees it, and once the minister accedes to it, an offer letter is issued. That's the process.
Let's give our honorable Serena.
angapa waiting list kuti zvinoitika kana munhu achiapura ngati vanenge vanomutapurisa vakawanda vazotora munhu iyeye mwana waminista ndiotama kunzi opuhwa ndichakati papurati pokutanga here because ndiyati mozonafamiro
some of these decisions or first steps are taken by the province. It's the province that actually prepares these schedules.
What constitutes the provincial lands committee? What composition? You're asking your own people. Yeah. What composition?
The provincial land committee is basically composed of government departments that deal with land issues. You're looking at the Ministry of Local Government, the Ministry of Lands, the Ministry of Environment. They are all there. It also then includes a representative of traditional chiefs. It also includes a representative of war veterans. They form the provincial land committee, which then is chaired by the Minister of State. Within that provincial land committee, there will be a technical committee that then is set up. Normally it's chaired by the PA. These are technical issues then that come under discussion. But otherwise, the land committee, provincial land committee, is then chaired by the Minister of State, comprising of those departments that I mentioned.
Okay, thank you. So you are saying the recommendations came from Manica and Provincial Lands Committee, right? Is that correct? We just want clarity so that we don't.
Yes, they did.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Nako?
Yeah, thank you. Supplementary, Chairman. Ndikodiyo kuchipinge district of the farm. The farmer are productive, not working. Are productive, and exporter, maavo, academia, everything. Farm ilo, ripa border ne Mozambique. Chera kufunga bera. Takashamiswa pauya ma youth. Akaenda kundozivita that white farmer. Pakaitwa noise isingaiti pafami papo. Izvo zviyainzi iri kukoti. But takashamiswa kuti why now after 20 years that white farmer achioperata ipapo achiturudzira foreign currency nekuti anoexporta zvinhu zvinoenda kuSouth Africa. Takashamiswa sevanhu vanogara kuchipinga. Saka tiri kutoshamiswa zvemichiti minister iye ndiye akaisa mwana wake iye ari chairman weland committee yeManica province. Mufunga pane chikanari. It's not fair. It's not fair kana tichinyasa kuzvitarisa kuti why vagara dzimba vanogara muManica province why kuuya uku kuchipinge kuchisiya mafamisi ari kuno why. Saka tiri kurwadziwa nenyaya iyo toda kuti igadziriswe nekukurumidza because pakaitwa unfair deals. Thank you.
Honorable Nako, thank you, but that's not a question.
The information, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Nitiko?
Honorable Chair, also maybe a point of correction on the submission from the Honorable Member. Your team from the ministry did not say that the Minister of State put their son there. No.
Honorable Serena?
Thank you, Chairman. tiko ndine a number of persons. Chekutanga tirakuziva kuti double allocations amakareceive ndikuona versions akawanda kuma A1 from all the provinces. Double allocations akanga ari mangani because we understand that there were double allocations dzaikonzeswa nema-DA akanga ari ma-chairpersons ema-leg technical committees. From those double allocations, how many did you regularize? Because some of the people with my permits or my offer letters, my A1s, don't have double allocations. Then the issue of former farm workers, wakasara ma compounds of which na nase vari mo. And I understand zvinokwasa kuti vari vamwe vacho futiwo vari kuita ma-invasions ekuma-grazing areas. Ministry yenyu kuitei nevanhu ivavo vaparadza mabhanzi infrastructure yese yaparara futi mabhazi ikoko nevanhu vari illegal vari kugara imo mabhazi ikoko. Tine nyaya ye-multiple ownership. Pa-multiple ownership pari zvino macases amadiscover imimi e-multiple ownership mangani ende pari zvino izvi hurumende yaita zvipi pamacases e-multiple ownership. Ndochipedzesera ndichiti pamapurazi mimi amakwanisa kuwana imimi region by region ma-downsizing amaita mangani, ma-downsizing amaita mumapurazi imomo amangani amaita. Then kuma-rural areas kwamataura kuti mimi kuita decongestion. Isusu tiri ma-rural constituencies. Ndinokupa mufananidzo wakafanana kana kuti ndinobva kana kwanana Seke hakusisina grazing land. Vanhu vari kubva munana Harare vachiva vachitenga ma-pieces of land kumareserve ikoko hakusisina land. Saka kureva kuti issue decongestion hakusisina. Tine that committee of 7 iri kuwanika kuma-A1s inoti chairman nani. That committee of 7 iyo mukuitei nayo because tine information yekuti those people vari kupiwa mari vowirirana vari 7 vaita corruption ndivo vacho vari kuita resettle kuma-grazing land. Mukuitei nemakommittees iwayo kana kuti madi kuita abolish those committees of 7 then mobuda something. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Chair. The honorable member has raised 5 issues, and I'll speak to some of them, and with your permission, Chair, I'll ask my colleagues here to chip in and shed more light. First of all, with respect to double allocations, multiple farm owners, those 2 aspects, we are currently seized with land audits through the Zimbabwe Land Commission. One of the objectives of that audit is to try and isolate these issues of double allocations, any double allocations, and the issues of multiple farm owners, so that once they have completed their work and they present the report to us, then we will move and make sure that the right action is taken. With respect to former farm workers, yes, they are causing serious problems both on A1 and A2 farms. But for A2 farms, the problems are not as intense as on A1s, because the A2 farmers are actually employing some of these. But for those that have not been employed, there are problems. They will even be among the people that cause the invasions that we see on A1 resettlement farms. It is very difficult to deal with land-related problems decisively when you're a government and you have the responsibility to safeguard every citizen. These farm workers, some of them, those that have applied, they've even been, resettled on A1, and probably a few on A2, but certainly they are a major, headache for the resettled areas. The issue of downsizing, how many, downsizings we have done, and the Committee of 7. I'm not aware of the Committee of 7 because certainly that is not a ministerial creation. Probably it's the initiative of the settlers who, wanting to have a local leadership of their own, have come up with this arrangement of a Committee of 7. But certainly, if it's an issue, if it causes problems, as ministry we take note and we will move on this issue of the Committee of 7 and make sure that we put in place the correct instructions so that we don't continue to have problems with people who are supposed to serve but end up being problems. Honorable Chair, on the number of downsizings and also any of the other 4 items I've mentioned, I would like my colleague here, with your permission, to shed more light.
But the now downsizing, I don't think it's fair. He may not get them over. I'm sure he can submit that information. Maybe within 2 days or so. How long will you submit?
Yes, Honorable Chair, I think we don't have, we can't say the statistics now, but that information can be provided.
Like how long do you need to provide information? How long?
Well, by the end of the week, we should.
End of the week.
Yeah.
So provide that by end of the week.
Okay.
Honorable members, I think we have read most of the things that FEMSEC and the East team are saying lies with the provincial lands committees. They implement what will be about been decided at the provincial level. General, and then we'll thought.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Unfortunately, the system is not working here. I have just 2 questions. So, by its very nature, land reform created a crisis of expectations. What is the future? What is in store for this country for the future? Because everybody expects land. And unless there is a strategic plan to address this thing once and for all, you continue to have divisions. It is inevitable. So we need to know what solutions we have to make sure that the issue is resolved once and for all. And then, also there is a clarification on the policy on allocating land to war veterans, because the 20% allocations, there are some of the victims now being evicted from farms, and also as well as chiefs, traditional leaders. They were forgotten, some of them were forgotten at the allocation of land. And we have situations whereby all the chiefs in a constituency don't have land, but civil servants, all civil servants do, or most of the civil servants do. How do you intend addressing that? Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Chair. The future of land reform in Zimbabwe. What I am submitting to the Honorable Committee now is really a personal opinion on how I see us going forward as a country. Firstly, we need to declare a formal end to the mainstream program on the land and agrarian reform. Please note that land will always change hands, like it has always done even before the land reform. So once we do that, we must immediately ensure stability on the resettled areas so that production and productivity can take effect without any hindrance. This probably, as you may be aware, is the objective of government by trying to remove illegal settlers. We are trying to ensure stability on the resettled, land. We also must link land holdings with changing land use enterprises. We must intensify.
I think we may excuse you today and maybe call you later on after we done provincial land committees first. Because for us to have more information, we need to talk to them, find out how they allocate the land, and then we'll reinvite you. That will be
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chair.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Excuse.
Thank you, Chair.